Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we are going to be making some chicken parmesan, but we're going to be making them a little bit different, more to my taste. I'm not going to put too much breading on them. I'm only going to bread them once, and they're already seasoned here. I pounded the breasts. They were chicken breasts, 2 chicken breasts. I cut them in half and I pounded them thin. And all I did was use my rolling pin in between two. Well, I put them inside baggies, food baggies, and I just pounded them. And I added some seasoning to this. Garlic powder, oregano, and I have some Dash salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, onion seasoning, some diced garlic, and a little bit of cumin. Okay, and for color, some sazon. Now, again, like I said, I'm gonna make these more to my taste, and it's just gonna be very, very lightly coated. Now, the breasts were soaked in vinegar for a while and then rinsed. Okay, they're very, very thin, so they might fall apart a little, but that's the way that I want them. Okay, and after this is done, I'm going to take them and I'm going to add some, I don't have any Romano cheese, I forgot to get some, but I do have shredded, well, I do have mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese over them after I fry them. Just lightly pan fry them. Some spaghetti sauce. And then they're going to go in the oven to finish cooking. And I'm also going to add some pasta to that. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with each piece. We're going to just bread them very lightly. Now, if you want to do the 2 coatings of breadcrumbs, that's fine. That's up to you. You're going to cook these to your taste. But like I said, I just want to do a very light breading. Nothing too heavy. Okay. All right, so we're back. We're going to start pan frying these. Here's a big piece. And this is a mixture of oil and canola oil. Olive oil and canola oil. Okay, and this is the last, the chicken. So guys, if you've ever made chicken parmesan before, let me know. And if you've changed your recipe, the traditional recipe in any way, I'd like to know that too. Because everyone has different tastes. Everyone likes their food a certain way. We don't always have to make food the traditional way. I mean, we can have them like that sometimes. But if you prefer them your own way, add your own recipe, your own twist, your own ingredients, that's fine too. Because after all, we're the ones that are going to eat it, you know. Your family is the one that's going to eat the recipe, not the, you know. It's nice to have some things traditionally, but it's good to change things around. Okay, so I'm done breading the chicken. All right, let's turn this around. Okay, that's good. little bit longer. Okay, I don't know. Oh, you really can't see the chicken. All right, let me just move that a little bit more. Let me clean my hands a little so that you're able to see the chicken. Okay, there you go. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so we're back with we have some of the chicken is done. This is about half. And since it's so much chicken and my aluminum pan is so small, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first layer some cheese, half the chicken first. So it's going to be basically like a lasagna. And then when the rest of the chicken is done, I'm going to place it on top of this and then add some more of the cheese. Okay, all right. Okay, that's what that looks like. We'll be back. Guys, I almost forgot to tell you, this pasta, let me get the label so I can show you guys. Oh boy, I almost forgot. Where is the label? All right, I have a co-worker that just got back from Italy. She brought me back some pasta Toscana. I think it's pronounced peachy or peachy, I'm not sure. And that's what that looks like. And give me a second. Right, that's what the pasta looks like. Okay. And it's a large spaghetti. Very thick spaghetti. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. And I'm going to boil that. It's a lot in here, so I'm not going to make a lot. Maybe 2 bunches, maybe 3. Okay. And then I'll save the rest for another recipe. But I thought it was so, you know, interesting. And I was very happy to receive this from my co-worker. Very, very nice. Very nice gift from Italy. Okay, guys, so now I'm starting on the sauce for the chicken Parmesan, and I'm not really making it from scratch. All I did was sauteed extra green pepper, red pepper, onions, and garlic. And I'm going to add a little bit of jarred sauce. Okay, that's all I'm doing. About half a jar. I think this is a, let me see how many ounces. 24 ounce. Okay, that's all I'm going to be adding there. Okay, I'm going to stir. And most likely I'll add a little bit more seasoning, like onion pepper, garlic pepper, onion, pepper, garlic, you know, powdered form, and maybe some black pepper. Okay, oregano. And then I'm just going to let it heat up and add that to the chicken. Okay, guys, so our pasta sauce is ready. So we're going to add a little bit on top of each piece of chicken. And I realized I was supposed to put the cheese after the sauce, but that's fine. I'll do it with the next layer. Alrighty, so then I'm going to add on the next layer of chicken. Now I add on the pasta. I'm very, very excited to try this new pasta that my co-worker got me from Italy, brought me back from Italy. Very excited to taste that. Okay, I'm going to add the cheese on top. Looks like I might need a little bit more cheese. Let's see. No, it's okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to cover this. It's going to go in the oven for maybe 20-25 minutes. I just want all the flavors to come together. Okay, and then we'll be back. Okay, so our Parmesan is ready. Just took it out of the oven. Okay, there you go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just take a piece of chicken. Or several pieces. We'll just take 2 pieces. Okay, that's going to go right there underneath. Okay, we're going to taste that, see what that tastes like. Nice, tender, flavorful. You can taste all the seasonings that I put in there. Okay, I encourage you guys to make this. I've also finished the pasta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve the pasta next to this. Okay, right on the side. Some large spaghetti size. Let's see if I can. I don't have a spaghetti fork, so I'm just gonna have to use this. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Okay. There you go. And I hope you guys make this. Right, I had a lot of fun making it. It's very interesting. And see you guys later.